Hello friends, so welcome to the latest vlog, and this is our first proper trip of 2025 for shooting the Milky Way, and we have a very special guest today, us, Mr. Saurabh from Mughal Sarai. He has a page known as Trains of India, and he's the biggest blogger for railway content in India and a true railway fan. So he has come specially for capturing Milky Way with the train tracks, and big shout out to him, or rather he will give a big shout out to us. We are very small compared to him, and these are my usual suspects.
A few moments later.
हम 3 घंटे से निकले हैं शहर से. हम we have not even reached a location because there are some people who do not follow Google Maps anyways, and there are some people here who are adamant on filling a particular brand of diesel only. So we have wasted I don't know how many hours, and Saurabh here is an expert now, as he knows every calculation of how much average this car gives. Costo?
हाँ,
कितना देती क्या है भाई कैलकुलेशन?
देख ऐसा है 80 की रेंज में गाड़ी चली रही है और 50 किलोमीटर चल गए फिर भी गाड़ी की रेंज 80 की दिखा रही है. मतलब जब 80 दिखा रही है तो गाड़ी चलती है 120-130 किलोमीटर. तो मेरी गाड़ी का एवरेज होगा 25-26 का एवरेज होगा
Easily.
आराम से.
And all this happens only if you fill petrol from Indian Oil.
नहीं, भारत पेट्रोलियम, बाकी किसी के नाम नहीं लेना, ओनली भारत पेट्रोलियम.
This is a sponsored post.
क्योंकि नो स्पॉन्सर, क्योंकि उनके पेट्रोल पंप अच्छे रहते हैं. येलो एंड ब्लू का कॉम्बिनेशन जो है उसके वजह से डीजल.
I think Saurabh here is going to ban us, and I don't think so. This was his first and last trip to Nagpur. He has been traumatized, and because we have been roaming for the past 1.5 hours just for food, and he has calmed down a bit now because he just had food. So we have stopped for dinner at we have taken a detour of 30-40 kilometers, but this is a lovely location right in the middle of Pench jungle, and we have stopped for dinner. So we'll have a few words with Saurabh here, and Saurabh has traveled the length and breadth of the country, and he has gone wherever Indian Railways can possibly take him. I don't think so he has missed a single route. And how many years have you been doing this? कितने साल से कर रहे हैं आप?
Almost, I guess, 5-6.
Only 5-6 years?
5-6 of like proper exploration. उससे पहले मतलब आसपास, घर के आसपास, बट उतना कभी डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं किया.
और हम यहाँ 15 साल से घूम रहे हैं और 50 किलोमीटर दूर नहीं जा पाए आज तक.
ऐसे सब बातें.
And we have not even crossed 50 kilometers limit in the last 10-15 years. So let's see. Weather is very nice for March, and it was pretty hot in the day, but right now it's actually lovely.
अभी तक कितने किलोमीटर की जर्नी हुई होगी आपकी?
डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है वो.
मैं मतलब
अंदाज
यूजुअली डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं करता, बट इस साल मैं डॉक्यूमेंट कर रहा हूँ ईच एंड एवरी जर्नी. सो अभी तक 12,000 किलोमीटर्स हो गया बाई ट्रेन, ओनली बाई ट्रेन.
12,000 kilometers. Huge figure.
इट विल प्रोबेबली क्रॉस.
तुमने पनीर में क्या बोला था तुमने?
पनीर बटर मसाला.
अरे तो भाई कुछ भी ले आया. हमारे थोड़े वेटर कंफ्यूज हैं.
अलग ही.
12,000 किलोमीटर्स, और अभी कितना 3 महीने हुए? 2 महीने में 12,000 किलोमीटर.
और स्टेट्स कितने कवर हुए आपके?
पूरा ही हो गया ना.
रेलवे स्पोर्ट्स.
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे कितने स्टेट है जहाँ पे रेलवे चलती नहीं है?
2 ही है ना. सिक्किम है.
सिक्किम एंड मिजोरम. मिजोरम नहीं,
नागालैंड में.
इंडिया में 2 ही स्टेट है जहाँ रेलवे नहीं चलती.
नागालैंड में
So we have reached the location and just climbing the stairs for the railway track, and Saurabh is just right behind me and few people are front. So we have come to this location, we have scouted this location during the daytime, so that's why we are so confident. And the moon is about to set, and it will set in about an hour's time, and the Milky Way will rise behind us. I think train is also coming. वो ट्रैक पे है,
वो मिड ट्रैक पे,
वो येलो है ना.
हाँ उधर है. एक जगह पर रख दे सामान की क्या करें
हम
नहीं नहीं, अपने को चढ़ना है.
हिल पे जाएंगे।
तो नीचे आ जाओ.
ये लाइट्स बंद करो।
नहीं भी है तो भी लाइट बंद कर, आगमन लाइट बंद कर.
रिपोर्ट कर देंगे।
So just climbing this short hill and in the moonlight, and I am the last person because I am the bravest in the group, guarding the rear. So we have reached the location. We'll be setting up the camera here. Kaustubh is setting up, and the tracks are right in front of us. As you can see, both are red currently, and the Milky Way will rise above it. So the aim is to shoot some time lapse of the train going, and there is hardly any light pollution over here. Only pollution is of the moon and a small town over there. Two trains went side by side over here, and both were going in the same direction. One was a banker, one was a fully loaded freight, and we have got some shots. Milky Way is yet to rise and the moon is yet to set. और आप यहाँ, मेरे को कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है पर कुछ है यहाँ. बॉन्ड से उल्टा डायलॉग बोल देता. ऊपर मारना लाइट, हाँ सामने मत मारना या पीछे मारना. हाँ ये पोट्टे देखो हमारे, एंड द बॉयज़ and the stars and the boys. So we are trying to go down. It's very tricky.
सुन थोड़ा सा फ्लिप होता है वो और ग्रिप पकड़ता है. अरे जो पकड़ना नहीं खुद गिरना के लिए. ये मेरे को पकड़ रहा था.
अरे ट्राइपॉड खोलो ना उसके.
अरे उसको लंबा कर ले छोटे.
कर रहे लंबा इसको. नहीं वो वाला मत करो.
ऊपर वाले खोलो.
मोटे वाले करो, छोटे वाले करो, टूट जाएगा. सबसे पहला वाला, सबसे पहला वाला.
राघव का है ना ट्राइपॉड ये.
नहीं
ये लेके चला ऐसा.
अब तो एक पे तीनों खोल लो ना, टूट जाएगा. तीनों खोल लो.
क्या कर रहे भैया, रुक जा.
अरे आधा भाऊ. We are heading back and it's 4:45. It was really fun. Earlier we thought there would be very less traffic, but we were wrong and there was a heavy traffic. And we saw a diesel engine also, and some VAG 12s and few passenger trains and banker duties and wildlife going. Wild boar. Sadly, we ran out of battery by the end. All the cameras ran out of battery. So we started a bit early. We should have started only the camera after 3 AM. But we started at around 1:32 AM. But I think still we'll get very decent time lapses and all. How was your experience?
It was wonderful. First time ever shooting the Galaxy, so it was amazing. And looking forward to great results. We'll be editing the pictures once I reach.
Yeah, and it was visible to the naked eye also.
Yeah, it was visible.
And it was a great spot actually. And we were at a safe distance, so we didn't have to worry about the trains also, and we were very comfortable over there. The only thing which we missed was some hot tea, but we'll stop on the way for hot tea, as most of the people on my channel have commented that we drink too much tea, but that's okay. Tea is better than other things. So yes, we'll stop on the way for tea now.